Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and you performed well in Terminal 1 exam. As you know, like now Terminal 1 exam are over and soon your result will be declared. And now we will proceed with the Terminal 2 syllabus and we will discuss chapter 4 of civics, and name of this chapter is working of institutions, right? But before starting this chapter, today lecture I will use for discussion of Terminal 1 question paper, right? So this is your question paper. It was divided in 5 sections, and section 1 it just consists of multiple choice questions and very short answer type questions, right? Like you can see this first question: at which parallel of latitude does India begin to taper towards south? So its correct answer is C, 22° north. But so many students they opted for 23 degree 30 minutes north. That that is the Tropic of Cancer. But beta, if you will see India's map below that, from 22° north, India begin to taper. Taper means कि जो its width became narrower, right? So many students they just committed mistake in this question. Afterward, question number 4. The word sans culottes means. Beta, sans culottes, this word was used during the reign of Maximilian Robespierre, Jacobin Club rule. It means is people without knee breeches. And so many students opted for people with knee breeches. Beta, knee breeches, that was a long gown that was worn by nobility and clergy, right? And now Jacobin Club, they started wearing striped trouser that was known as sans culottes. So, and sans culottes means people without knee breeches, right? Now this question 5, that the incident known as Bloody Sunday. Beta, as you know that it is related to revolution of 1905. Now this question number 6, which of the following is not a feature of democracy? Beta, whenever you are just attempting any question paper, so read the question carefully. If you will see this, we are to just mark which is not a feature of democracy. As you know that universal franchise, political equality, rule of law, these 3 are the features of democracy. So our correct option is 4th one party domination in country politics. Now this question number 7, who guided the making of Indian Constitution? Beta, its correct answer is option is D, Motilal draft resolution and the colonial experience of parliamentary form of government. As you know that Government of India Act 1935, till that time there was provincial government and central government. Whether the system was under the British control, but this system, parliamentary system, was introduced over there, and it just helped, it guided during the making of the constitution. With that, question number 11, I just want to discuss how much percent of the total geographical area of the world India occupy. It is 2.4%, and so many students they wrote that 3.28 square million kilometer. Beta, that is the area of India, and here the question is about the geographical area of India. It is how much percent of the world total area, right? Now the question number 12, name the narrow strip between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Beta, it is known as the Malabar Konkan region. And whosoever has written the Malabar coast or only Western coast, beta, Western coast is the coastline, and we are talking about that narrower strip. These are the Western coastal plain, right? Then question number 14, what was the new name of St. Petersburg? I think more than 50 students they wrote it Leningrad. Beta, whether its name was converted to Leningrad also, but in our book, in our NCERT textbook, nowhere it is mentioned. That is why I have not allotted any mark for Leningrad. So whenever this question is there, you have to write Petrograd, right? And now question number 20, what is Kal Baisakhi? Beta, very simple, that the thunderstorm, the local thunderstorm accompanied by the hail and all, that gave the temporary relief, and locally in West Bengal it is known as the Kal Baisakhi, right? So this was about the section A, what common mistakes were there. Now the next question is, mention the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. So many students, they wrote that latitudinal and longitudinal extent is 30 degree. Beta, you have to write, you have to mention that it is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Like this you were to write, right? Then question number 26. Explain the merits and demerits of Green Revolution. So many students, they wrote about the merits and demerits of democracy. But the question is very clear. The merits and demerits of Green Revolution were asked to you. So please read the question very carefully. And as I sent you the note also, that you are to follow the word limit also. So sometimes you think that question was of 3 marks, why teacher has given you 2.5. Right? So you should be very much concerned about the content as well as the word limit of the answer. Now this question number 28, describe how the poverty line is estimated in India. In this question you were to explain the income method and expenditure method, right? But so many of you have just given answer of this question in just one sentence, that people whatever their basic needs are there, when those physical quantities are multiplied by its value, monetary value, and whosoever people they are below that line, so they are considered as poor. Beta, this was not the sufficient answer. You have to explain about the two methods also, where the calorie requirement and the monthly income of average family, average 5-member family, that is also mentioned, that we have discussed so many times. Afterward, that section C, it was the explain the features of hot weather season and cold weather season. Beta, it is a long question. It must be answered in at least 150 words. At least. It means it can be more than that also. When such type of question is there, then you have to write at least 5-6 points for each type. For hot weather also, for cold weather also. Right? Then question number 32, what do you mean by preamble? Explain ideals of preamble to Indian Constitution. Few students, they just forgot to write about the meaning of preamble. So that was of 1 mark. That was deducted. Then ideals of preamble. Beta, there are so many ideals. I think 8 to 10 ideals are there, and you are writing just 4. And that is not sufficient as per the word limit requirement also. Right? So especially this lecture I am devoting towards these things, so that in next exam, in terminal 2 exam and final exam, these type of mistakes should not be there, right? Now the section D, it was related to the map. As you can see, this here it is given question number 35. It is of 3 marks, that these areas are given. As you know that this A, it is Paris, B is Nantes, C, this one, C is Bordeaux, and C is Marseille and D is Bordeaux, right? And what you have done means, I have seen in so many answer sheets that you have written A Paris, then you have identified these 4 points, but your sequence is not correct. So please be very careful, and as you know, this map is very scoring, so please be very careful about this. And question number 36, it was a geography map, and please take care that all the, like, only 4 items were there, so you are to attempt all these 4 items on single map, right? You are using a separate map for these. No, it is not required. In your 10th class also, in board exam, you will get only single map, right? So please take care, and all the best for your further exams. And we will start from tomorrow. We will start chapter 4, that is the working of institution, right? Thank you and have a nice day.